This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Going to talk about a bull flag. Going to talk about a few different dynamics on Bitcoin. Hit the like button if you could. Looking at the symmetrical triangulation, we're looking for a breakout potential over the line of resistance. However, it's been a little bit difficult. Now, talking about a fractal, I want to bring this into context for you on the weekly, on the 8-hourly, and on the daily. Looking at this preceding flat top resistance, 35 to 45,000. Shout out to the VIP. It's another weekend, guys. While the rest of the market's losing steam, we're gaining steam. We are building in 2022. We were prepared the entirety of the time. As I look at this downside target very quickly on the daily or on the weekly, you're going to find triple hits on a touch point here on the $11,600 level. Please review my preceding tweet. I'll tell you, the tweet has gotten 1,129 likes in a short number of 4 hours. Please review that tweet to look at the downside potential, that 11,600. We'd love to get there. Why is that? Why would that be? That we would love to get there because it's technically oriented on the breakdown or indicated on the breakdown of this pattern formation. I like the 8-hourly or the 4-hourly. It's giving you a nice insight into that additional detail. Now, the specifics on this preceding flat bottom support with that, I'd say that mid-level peak, right? Now we have that flat bottom support with that mid-level peak carrying down that specific amplitude. Boom, boom, worked beautifully there on the way down to that $30,000 range. Now carrying down this amplitude, if we were to just go with this specific pattern, would land us at that $11,600 mark. Again, very important. I want to call this, guys, in terms of the preceding level of resistance on which time frame. I'll call it on the weekly. Pay attention to that on the weekly. Hit 1, hit 2, hit 3. That specific weekly, which was what, guys? Which was an ascending triangle. Boom. We like to see solid technicals. We'd like to be, guys, we'd like our trade strategy to be reinforced in the market. Not only me discussing, let's say, with a $500 million individual, $500 million level of exposure along the way up to the $69,000 in Bitcoin, me telling that individual, guys, a part of a group meeting, me telling the individual exactly what they didn't want to hear. But guys, you know, I've been saying heavy reserve capital since the beginning. Now, some people may say, well, I called the top. Well, we gave you a notice, you know, since 65,000, we told you there was a top formation. No, guys, I'm talking about me having direct, heavy-handed discussions with $500 million levels of exposure, telling them to prepare for, in this zone, telling them to prepare for 45,000, to prepare for 30,000, to prepare for $15,000, and even below that. Yes, that is a fact. That's on, that, guys, is a feather in our cap. That's just what we've been doing. So it's not a Johnny-come-lately or we got one thing right in the market one day and called it top. No, guys, we've been interacting with some of the heaviest, most heavily involved people, let's say individuals on an institutional level, though, at $500 million, etc. And that's just what VIP is all about. Guys, no one has a story like that. So we're going to continue to add to it in 2022. We are building. Want to shout out to Venus. Beautiful trades today in the back. Guys, you know that. What is it? 62% Venus on a short. Look at this, guys. 95% on a long. Beautiful to see you trade. Let's look at Victor, 64%, and then a 30% new VIP on a short and long, respectively. And we've got a few trades here. 12,000. Essentially, I'm going to tell you, the VIP are always the key focal in terms of what's going on in the back. That's what I want to keep the focus as continually. Another 89% long, and then I'm going to tell you another 190% short belongs to Venus. Beautifully well done. I'm going to tell you, guys, when you ever see a trade from me, don't emulate it. Just like this talk I had with the $500 million level of exposure along the way up, guys, I wouldn't try and emulate that either with your TA skills. But if you're solidly founded in New York Institute of Finance, guys, if you follow the rules, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, hit your targets, never be overexposed. If you want to up your trade game, if you want to achieve your goals in 2022, we want you to achieve them with a VIP. We'll be trading in the back. We look forward to bringing you additional excitement in 2022 while the rest of the market is flailing. While they're running out of steam, we're just getting started. We knew, guys, I tell you, I told $500 million plus individuals directly, guys, who were, guys, it's not financial advice. It's Bitcoin. It can't be financial advice. It's not even a security. So it's impossible to literally connect financial advice with Bitcoin. It's not a security. You can't provide financial advice on it. So I'm willing to talk to anybody, guys. That's how we've been working in 2022. we continue to have success in the back as we build. And again, remember when we caught the under the 30,000, the actual low in 2021? Boom. Who caught that? We did, guys. VIP all the way. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Over 130. Over 130 VIP. Join the first month more than any other group. If you're ready to achieve your goals, your dreams, set them forth in realistic manners, guys, or in a realistic format, guys, and have the right trade group, the number one trade group, you found it. That's the bottom line. Join with this link on our Twitter or hit the join button on YouTube. Once you join, pay attention. Once you join, hit that first pin tweet, put I am VIP. Boom. We will put you in the back. That will get you connected with me individually and our team. We will be able to recommend the perfect books for you to start your journey on. Yes, we'll put you in the back in the winner's circle. You'll have access to charts like this. I'm going to tell you guys, this level of interaction here. Look at that level of interaction. The host, the multitude of the different chart patterns, making sure you've mastered everything there is to master about the market, okay? And a lot of that has to deal with mastering yourself. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. So excited about 2022. La Jolla headquarters incoming within a short number of weeks. Excited to be building with you. Venus in 2022, number one VIP and number one contributor all the way. Want to say, in addition, VIP, you need to be excited about that incoming website. Some of the features and additions we are putting in for the VIP. Remember, that's the development group, rather, with Bybit. So we have hired them to bring the VIP. VIPtrader.com will be the website. We are so excited and thrilled to be building in 2022. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's trade this, guys. Remember, buy at support, sell at resistance. Trade your patterns and hit your targets. If you will see, yes, the indicator has been beautifully constructive in terms of providing you multiple trades in this area. Look at the green pickups here. Yeah, look at the fire sale that just played quite well. And without a doubt, guys, just one of the best tools, if not the best tool that I've seen available for the market, is provided by anybody in any context. I'm going to tell you that the absolute truth, or else I wouldn't stand behind it. But a 70 plus, I'd say a 0.7 percent potential move there from that fire sale pick up. If you are new to leverage, or if you're just a spot trader, if you're new to the market, we welcome you to join the VIP. Let's be ready upon support here, and of course we're going to be ready all the way down to, as we would look at this flat bottom support here, recognizing fully that we do have this specific descending triangle in play along with that fractal framework TA comparative. I hope that you guys are having a great weekend. We look forward to trading tomorrow. We got one day left in this weekend. Let's go get it. Guys, it's London with Bitcoin Spike.